Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers. Today we're going to go a little bit more layout of what we have in the store right now. Currently we have a vast majority of laptops available from you. We got everything from Dell to HP. All of these machines come with 3-year warranties. Most of them have solid state drives, which are very useful for whenever you're trying to get work done. It loads quicker on the operating system. It runs smoother. If you're looking for an AUtoCAD machine, we do have AUtoCAD machines here for around $4.99 at the end over here. It's got a Quadro 1000M on it. It's got a i7, 16 gigs on there. If you keep going down a little bit further, we got $3.99 pretty much right here in this little area. All of these have the i5, 8 gigs of RAM, 250 solid state drives on there. Some of them have Bluetooth. They all have Windows 10 Pro, it seems, and 3-year warranty, of course. If you go right here, we got some more laptops here for $4.29. These are a little bit newer models, so they have a higher processor that goes quicker for you, and it's got 8 gigs of RAM. This one's got a 500 gig solid state drive, as well as this one right here. So with the 500 solid state, you get double the space, so you can put more pictures or whatever you want to put on there as well. And then right here we got for $4.49. This is a i7, it's a 250 solid state drive as well, 8 gigs of RAM. It's got Windows 10 Pro in it as well. So all the machines have Windows 10 Pro. They run really smooth, and they're refurbished, which means that basically they came from, corporate companies that basically, recycle their computers after every 2 years or so. So then, we buy them back and we sell them to y'all for a cheaper price. So y'all end up winning that way. So if y'all got any questions over here at Impress, you're more than welcome to give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.